Alright, this is Euclid Book 5, proposition number 24. After this, we'll have one more proof, and then we will go right on into the Greek letter sigma. Alright, it says, if a first magnitude has to a second the same ratio as a third has to a fourth, and also a fifth has to a second the same ratio as a sixth has to a fourth, the first and fifth added together will have the second the same ratio as the third, and the sixth has to the fourth. And you are probably sitting there going, you've got to be nuts. Okay, this is real simple. Let a first magnitude AB have to a second C. Well, here's first magnitude AB right here. There's magnitude AB has to the second C. The same ratio as a third DE has to a fourth F. Well, here's DE right across here. See how big DE is? Okay, and we have F down here. Okay. Now, what I have done here is I have set up a ratio of 3/2 to 6/4, and on the second one I've set up a ratio of 1/2 to 2/4. So this is 3 to 2, and then this over here is 6 to 4, and then of course you have 1 to 2 as 2 to 4. Okay, so far so good. Alright, I say that the first and the fifth added together. Now let's back up a second because I forgot to tell you this. Alright, let also a fifth BG, okay, this is a fifth magnitude BG. This is BG right here. Have to the second C the same ratio as the sixth EH. Well, here's EH right here. EH right here. To the fourth F. Okay. Now, I say that the first and the fifth added together, AG. Okay, well, here's AG all put together. We'll have to the second C the same ratio as the third, which is DH, DH. All this put together, we'll have to this, F. Alright, how are we going to prove such a thing? Well, let's start this way. For since as BG is to C, okay, as BG is to C, so as EH is to F, EH is to F. Inversely, as C is to BG, as C is to BG, so F is to EH. F is to EH. Since then, as AB is to C, as AB is to C, so is DE is to F. DE is to F. And as C is to BG, C is to BG, so is F to EH. F to EH. Therefore, xi quali as AB is to BG, as AB is to BG, so is DE to EH. DE to EH. And we can prove this by Euclid Book 5, proposition number 22. And since the magnitudes are proportional separando, they will also be proportional comboendo. And this is by Euclid Book 5, proposition number 18. Therefore, as AG is to GB, as AG is to GB, so is DH to HE. So is DH to HE. But also, as BG is to C, as BG is to C, so is EH is to F. EH is to F. Therefore, xi quali as AG is to C, as AG is to C, as all AG is to C, so is DH to F. DH is to F. And this is by Euclid Book 5, proposition number 22, which finishes our proof for this evening. I will tell you the remaining proof in a future video. Stay tuned.